guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing Jamaican expressions part 2, so let's get into it. First expression I have for you guys is midday, and this can be a response to wagwan because it's allowing the person to know you're okay, you're doing well and you're good. So for instance, if someone called you and they said yo wagwan, you can respond with midday. Or if someone saw you face to face, even if they called you and they said yeah right, you can respond with midday because they're letting them know you're good. Now the second one I have for you guys is bless up. Now this simply means to stay blessed or to have a nice day. So for instance, I could say to you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and bless up. So by me saying that, I'm wishing you guys a nice day. Third and final one I have for you guys is little more. Now this simply means bye or I'll see you later, and here's how you could use it. So let's say you had just finished your work shift. You could simply say to one of your colleagues little more. That way you're letting them know you're leaving and you're saying bye. That is all I had for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, I will definitely see you in another video. Bye!